So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey everybody, good morning. Gonna do a little bit different. We're changing since we got rid of the project truck, and right now I don't have another project. You're still gonna see the regular car videos that we do. I'll probably get out to see some racetracks again, probably go out to some of the car shows or to find some cars like I used to do, and it's been a while. Just life gets in the way sometimes. But in the meantime, one of the things we're trying to do is get back to Model Monday. And if you haven't seen Model Monday, go to our Model Monday category, and you're just going to see a whole bunch of videos there. But show you some of the models that we have lined up and some of the themes that we're going to show. So right now, these are some of the models that we have lined up to do. We have the Hemi Under Glass car. We've got a surfer wagon. We have Junior Johnson's racing his '86 Chevy Monte Carlo NASCAR. The Junior Johnson Racing, that's the Bud car, the Mountain Dew car from 1981. We have a 1936 Wild One modified race car. Lenny Pond's I believe it's a 74 Malibu. The 66 Fairlane 427. And then we've got this one from AMT, and this is an actual combo pack that has, sorry about the skylight, hold on, there we go. That's got three kits. It's got the trailer, it's got this gasser, Ford Galaxy pool car, and this is a Falcon funny car and the trailer. So we have this. Now what I'm going to do with this kit, by the way, is I don't usually do any kit bashing, but with this one we're going to take, and I kind of like this Ford Galaxy two-door, but what we're going to do is we're going to take the Ford Galaxy out of this combo, and we're going to use the surfer wagon as the tow vehicle for this. So that's something cool that we're going to do. So I'll build this first, then we'll build the surfer wagon, or vice versa. But these are going to go together, and then the Ford Galaxy kit will be its own vehicle. And then we bought this modified stocker hauler and truck kit, and it comes with the trailer, and it comes with the truck, but it doesn't come with a modified stock car. That's why we bought this MPC kit, which is the Wild On Modified. And we got these kits from Hobby Lobby. And the other thing with this, now this 63 Impala SS, it's a cool kit, and it's a 4-in-1 kit. So one of the ones we're going to make it is to make it a race car. And when I got this, I wasn't sure because it doesn't show any pictures of it with any of the racing decals. But then when we go on the back, and by the way, if you are getting back into building models or you haven't built them in a while, all these kits on the back show all the trees and the decal sheets and stuff, that all the plastic, that's what comes with it. So on the back here, when I looked close, I saw that the number 45 and some other decals were on here. So we can make this into a race car. Actually, there, all new decals right there. So we can make this into a early NASCAR race car, and so this would fit great with the Ford Galaxy and the Ford Fairlane from '66. Now, since we already had this trailer here and that trailer here for haulers, I thought let's go with that theme. So I went and got this hauler, which is a Ford LN 8000 hauler. That's going to be cool. Not sure what car will go with it. Not sure what decals we'll put with it, but just having a nice big Ford race hauler was cool. And then I went and thought, let me see what else we can look at for big race haulers. And we got this one, which is a 72 Chevy Racer's Edge wedge. Now this is a wedge hauler car, but you can also make this if you don't want to use this with that front end, with the 72 front end Chevy. You can make the 72 pickup truck and then go ahead and use a different cab if you have another model, and we have several that we could pick from to use other cabs. If you want to use an 81 Ford, or you want to use a 53 Chevy, whatever, or Dodge, you can always put that cab on this. Then we also got, which I thought I wanted, a cab over. So we have the conventional Ford LN 8000 here, but I really wanted to get a cab over. Now this is actually the hideout truck, Tyrone Malone's, and if you've never seen Tyrone Malone's this truck, you've probably seen his actual racing truck. So he has a custom drag truck that he does. It's a big Kenworth, but I'm not going to build the Kenworth truck. I'm going to build just the hideout truck, which is a ramp truck. It's a cab over, Kenworth cab over. So we're going to build this one as well. Now we have some more cars, and through magic, as soon as I click my fingers, now, as you can see, we've now changed. We have our Deserter 84 GMC pickup truck that we're going to be doing 4x4. We've got the 78 Ford 4x4 Firestone. We have a 1955 Chevy Cameo Coca-Cola kit. These Coca-Cola kits are pretty neat because they all come with different things. This one actually comes with a vintage die-cast vending machine and dolly. We have the Baldwin Motion Camaro. I love Baldwin Motion Camaros, the 70.5 to 73. If I ever got one of these, I'd actually paint it to look like a Baldwin Motion because I could never afford a Baldwin Motion. But I think they look awesome. 70 Chevelle, which is exactly what my first Chevelle looked like. Gold, black stripes. This is the one we're doing, the 70 SS. And then last, I don't know when we're going to do these in what order, but this is a Duster 340, Plymouth 71 Duster 340. So those are what we're going to be doing as far as Model Mondays. There's about 20 kits, and hopefully we'll be able to do about one a week, put them up during the week. And that should take us all the way through summer. Let's see, 20, so divided by 5, excuse me, 20 divided by 5 is 4 months. So it's now June. So we have June, July, August, September. So this should take us to October. So hopefully we'll be able to put these up, and you can watch us build. We'll try to keep them at about 30 to 45 minutes instead of the hour and long that we did before. But if you want to watch us build them, or watch me build them, started building them again about 2 years ago, and it's so much different than building back in the 80s and 90s. All the stuff that's available, all the different glues and epoxies and different things that you can now do, and people using Sharpies now, because Sharpies come in different colors. Instead of having to detail something with a paintbrush, you can now detail with a Sharpie. So if you want to check them out, check out, I think we have about 20 or 25 up already that we've built, and we're going to be building more. So if you like that kind of thing, stay tuned. It's a really nice hobby to get into nowadays. There's companies like Round 2 and other companies that are coming out with all these retro kits, and it's a fun thing to do with you, with your kids, if you are a kid, to do it, or just if you're somebody that doesn't go outside much, doesn't take a lot of room. You just need a table, tube of glue, some spray paint from Walmart, and you can make a really nice kit. Anyway, thank you guys, and you'll see other stuff coming up on the channel, but this is just one of the things that we're trying to get back into doing, going back into making the channel something where we go to car shows or we go to racetracks. Try to get another project down the road. This last one with the truck didn't work out, but we ended up sending it to somebody who down in Bradenton, Florida, who is going to make something out of it. So that's really cool. All right, guys, talk to you later. Have a great weekend, and we'll surprise you each week with one of the model kits. All right, talk to you later. Please stay tuned. If you like this, please subscribe, watch, like, comment. Oh, by the way, I know I don't get answer comments timely. I am working a position now, a job that last week I put in like 77 hours. So I don't really get time to go online that much. But on the weekend, I'm still watching like Vice Grip Garage and all the different Rust and all the different videos that I like to watch too. So please support everybody. And I will not be, unfortunately, going on the Hot Rod Power Tour this year. We went last year. Next year, I hope to. I have an idea of what I want to go with. It's not going to be my truck. If things keep working the way they are, we're going to have a really cool vehicle. So anyway, thanks, guys. Talk to you later. Have a great weekend. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.
Where it says merchandise store right here, merchandise store link, you will see it says https:/junkyards-barn-finds, and you click on that and it's going to take you here.